Yeah, it's a Friday night there. Have a night party. Friday night out party there at US. It's a Friday night. Friday night. Like that. Here at ano, here at Philippines, I know maybe have also like that. Uh, Friday night out and then have a party night and then Saturday night like that. But did not yet try that. Auri, you can visit the United States. Wow, yes, I will if I have money. But I don't have money, Auri. I'm not rich. I belong to the people. I belong to the poor people. Brian Burger, I'm celebrating my son's birthday. Mm. 4 years ago, my birthday. Oh, Brian, yes. Happy birthday to your son, Brian. Yeah, Brian, I remember. Your wife from Cebu. Yeah, I remember Brian. Happy birthday to your son. Happy birthday to you. Our happy birthday to your son, Brian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. What's the name of your son, Bri? Yeah, I'm doing well, Brian. Ah, Brandon. Happy birthday, Brandon. Daddy's Brian loves you. Nice. Happy birthday, Brandon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Brandon. May God bless you always, Brandon, and enjoy being a kid, Brandon. Yes, thank you, Bri. Thank you, Brian. Take care. Enjoy with your son celebrating his birthday.